Washington sent a midnight wake-up call to Tehran. The diplomatic clock is running completely out of time. They better check their phones. During the ongoing ceasefire, U.S. intelligence confirmed Iranian forces successfully reconstituted approximately 70% of their mobile missile launchers. These assets have been systematically relocated into hardened underground bunkers, utilizing the temporary pause in hostilities strictly as a tactical reloading window. In direct response to this buildup, open-source flight tracking indicates at least 4 AC-130J Ghostrider gunships are actively conducting reconnaissance patterns across the Middle East. These heavily armed platforms provide continuous overwatch, monitoring any hostile movements near the Strait of Hormuz. Iran's peace proposal skipped the entire nuclear question. They demanded control of international waters instead, a truly inspiring level of strategic delusion. Regional stability faced another test as 3 unidentified drones penetrated United Arab Emirates airspace, specifically targeting the Barakah nuclear energy plant. While defense systems intercepted 2, the third successfully struck a perimeter electrical generator, signaling a clear escalation against Gulf infrastructure. Simultaneously, Saudi Arabian defense forces intercepted 3 separate unmanned aerial vehicles crossing the border from Iraqi airspace. The coordinated timing and trajectory strongly suggest Iranian proxy networks are executing synchronized diversionary strikes to obscure the true launch origins from coalition forces. Beijing secured agricultural agreements while covertly arming Tehran's proxy networks. It is a textbook shadow operation. Someone is profiting handsomely from this chaos. Intelligence assessments reveal China continues to supply vital covert military technology and high-resolution satellite imagery to the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps. This discreet logistical support enables Iranian proxy forces to maintain operational tempo despite heavy coalition blockades and targeted international sanctions. Securing the defense supply chain remains critical. The Pentagon is actively funding Project Vault, a $12 billion initiative to stockpile critical minerals like tungsten. Rebuilding domestic mining infrastructure ensures continued production of F-35 armor-piercing rounds and precision missile guidance systems without foreign reliance. Enforcing the naval blockade requires constant vigilance. Coalition maritime forces recently engaged Iranian-flagged oil tankers actively attempting to breach containment lines. This persistent pressure prevents the illegal export of sanctioned resources, severing crucial funding streams meant for regional proxy militias. Modern warfare is rapidly shifting toward autonomous capabilities. The Department of Defense recently partnered with leading technology firms to integrate advanced artificial intelligence directly into classified military networks, developing sophisticated algorithmic targeting protocols specifically designed for unmanned systems and aerial platforms. Tehran boasts about having 1,000 fast attack boats. Special Operations Command just deployed the Ghostrider. Applied physics will not favor those vessels. The AC-130J Ghostrider represents the pinnacle of close air support. Built upon the Commando 2 airframe, it utilizes 4 Rolls-Royce turboprop engines, generating immense shaft horsepower. With a maximum speed nearing 400 miles per hour, it delivers rapid response capabilities. The primary lethality stems from its devastating weapons package. A 30mm automatic cannon provides sustained suppressive fire, complemented by a 105mm howitzer firing 33-pound high-explosive projectiles. This sheer kinetic force physically jolts the entire aircraft during every single artillery engagement. Target acquisition relies on advanced dual electro-optical infrared sensors featuring precise laser designators. The MX-20 and MX-25 sensor suites allow the crew to identify and track individual combatants from 20,000 feet, ensuring absolute precision strikes even in zero visibility. The integrated precision strike package seamlessly fuses data from F-35 fighter radars and indigenous sensors into a single fire control interface. This networked architecture enables the weapons officer to rapidly coordinate devastating artillery barrages with unparalleled accuracy and maximum tactical efficiency. This precise targeting capability makes the Ghostrider the ideal countermeasure against Iran's remaining Mosquito fleet. By assigning individual gunships to specific oceanic sectors, coalition forces can systematically eliminate the fast attack boats, neutralizing their ability to harass commercial shipping lanes. The current administration is running a highly sophisticated dual-track playbook. Public ultimatums mask quiet back-channel concessions. Sun Tzu would probably take notes. Central Command maintains a high state of operational readiness, following the systematic dismantling of key adversary infrastructure during previous kinetic engagements. Coalition forces remain positioned to execute rapid follow-on strikes if diplomatic channels collapse and hostile maritime activities resume. The Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps Navy suffered catastrophic losses, with over 160 primary vessels destroyed. Their maritime strategy now relies entirely on deploying hundreds of small, maneuverable attack craft to project asymmetric power and extort international energy markets. However, those fast attack craft lack adequate protection. The adversary's integrated air defense systems were heavily disrupted during initial coalition strikes. Without overlapping surface-to-air missile coverage, their naval assets are completely exposed to advanced loitering munitions and high-altitude aerial bombardments. Beneath the aggressive posturing, the regime struggles with severe internal factional disputes and mounting economic instability. Their strict reliance on holding international waterways hostage serves primarily as a desperate mechanism to extract sanctions, relief, and maintain political control over civilian populations. Tehran handed over a 100-page treaty, completely ignoring the nuclear issue. They expect unconditional global submission. It is certainly a bold diplomatic strategy. As back-channel negotiations continue, coalition aircraft maintain an unwavering presence across the Persian Gulf. This continuous aerial overwatch enforces regional stability, deterring unauthorized maritime movements and ensuring commercial shipping lanes remain open despite persistent threats from adversarial proxy networks. The Ghostrider is fully fueled and holding its airspace. Tehran must choose between serious diplomacy or target practice. Leave your tactical assessments below.